how can you remove object from your picture into Photoleap. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Photoleap application. And after opening the Photoleap application, you will get to see a bunch of options. Among them, you just simply have to select this option of remove object into here. Just simply select that option and choose your picture where you would like to remove the object. For me, I have selected this picture of Netflix and chill guy. Now, I would try to remove this Netflix because he's just a chill guy. I don't have to remove him. Now, in order to do that, just simply select the object which you would like to remove. I have selected this Netflix by printing it all red, and after that the object will successfully be removed like this. As you can see here, we have successfully removed an object. You can do the same. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.